It's crazy to see y'all fit this many subs in that box. Wow.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Wow. Oh, the box is really solid, Brent. Okay. So you're going to be going in Aeroport instead, long toe.
Yeah.
So are you going to have to reinforce or change the box, or are you going to just modify?
I'm just going to modify the back end.
Okay.
That way I can take these out and put in the Aeroports.
Got it. Wow.
That'll also give me a little bit more wind.
Yeah. That's very interesting, the design. So these four subs are equal, but these 3 or 4 are off. Is there a purpose, or is it the octagon, or what was it? Do you know?
The name of the build originally was Chaos, and the designer wanted to implement something a little chaotic in it.
Yeah.
So we threw that one.
Okay. Got it. Got it. That makes sense. Okay. Man, you don't usually see people put this amount of cone area without going walled or something. So you doing a no wall like this is a monster. It's insane. But you can only mount them inverted because of the port blocks.
Right.
Unless you did some of them. Have you ever considered mounting some of them regular and some of them inverted to try it?
That's another purpose of the Aeroports. Because once I do the Aeroports.
Got it. Yeah. Okay. So you sound like you got some stuff you still planning to do to it. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then I also gotta do my doors.
Yes, sir. Wow. Nice to meet you. JacobViral. Thank you for showing me.
No problem.
That was insane.
Oh man, Jacob what?
JacobViral.
I've heard that name on Facebook before.
I've been around cardio. I've met over 3,000 different systems and posted, so I know a lot. I try to learn as I go. Ooh. So what is your name, man, and what's in here? Go for it.
Travis Law, Team Jam on it. I just saw you over there with
Yes,
my team.
insane, yeah.
But yeah, 12 Avatar STUs on right now 3 Team Pi 7500s with 2 325 LS alternators under the hood.
Okay. That's a lot of lithium. Wow.
Yeah, those cells are 380
Okay.
each. So,
Who installed all this?
the original installer was Alan Butcher.
Okay. Really big box too.
Yeah, it's not tuned
Not
to
tuned.
nothing.
So do you know like what the tuning is, the box size or anything like that? No, no worries. All good.
But,
Wow.
I will tell you that it's got 2 octoports in the back.
Okay.
That we're basically gonna shave off that back end so I can put some Aeroports and get some tuning.
Yeah. Got it. Okay. All right. Awesome.
My question to you is, what type of music you like?
I like things that are near SPL tuning peak frequency of the box. So if your box is tuning at 30 hertz and it peaks at 40, let's play 40. If it peaks at 32, let's play 32. So if you know what it likes, what it peaks at, that's my favorite because that's usually the loudest. But that's me, if that answers that question.
Okay, well,
I like lows more if it goes by highs or lows. But that's up to you, man. You know your system. And I don't think it's crazy to see y'all fit this many subs in that box. Wow.
Monster on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a free throw, man down, call a ambulance, tell him free, bro, never nigga too beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watch you. fuck 'em up. That fuck 'em up. They not like us. They not like us. So the industry can hate. Fuck 'em up. That fuck 'em up. They not like us. They not like us. So the industry can hate.
Well, you have a good day, man. Nice to meet you. Jacob Viral. Thank you for showing me.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at